Welcome to the Backpack Family YouTube channel. I am Jonathan, and in today's episode, Kelly, the kids, and I are letting AI take over and plan our day in Central Jakarta. We asked AI to plan our itinerary, where to eat, what to see, and even where to grab a coffee. Will AI create the perfect Jakarta adventure, or will it totally miss the mark? It's gonna be an interesting episode, everybody. Let's get started. Welcome back, everybody. Today is, as the title describes, a totally AI-generated itinerary for exploring Jakarta. Now we focus on Central Jakarta.
Right, because it's huge, and we couldn't do the whole town.
Oh,
in
no
one
way.
day.
We'd be all over. So we're basically focusing on, Central Jakarta. We've got the entire itinerary laid out, all planned by AI. Basically, I said, plan a 24-hour day. We want to see some sightseeing. We want to, eat some good food.
Make it kid-friendly.
Kid-friendly. I did put in the kids' ages.
Yep.
And so the first spot AI suggests we would like is this park here, the Menteng Park. Now, this is not a park we would have ever come to or even discovered had it not been for the AI search prompt. But as you can see, it's got a beautiful fountain.
It's well maintained.
There's some playgrounds up here. Of course, our good friend Cece is with us. Cece is our former nanny when we lived in Tembagapura.
She helped take care of Forrest.
Absolutely.
All over.
All right, so we'll check out the park here and see what it's all about. We have come across the big playground, but check it out. For some reason, the playground is closed. So I'm going to strike this up as a miss. Not that AI could have known that the park was closed, but it certainly is a miss. This would be the key feature as to why we'd want to come out here, is to let Forrest and the kids play. There is a cat out there, which is kind of distracting. But yeah, kind of a miss on stop number one. But we'll check it out, see if there's anything else at this park. But it is in shade, it is pretty, it is well maintained. So I'm just reading up here on why ChatGPT and AI sent us here. Basically, it says that Menteng Park is a beautiful green space in the middle of the city, and that this actually used to be some kind of football stadium that's now been converted into this green parkway. Hi, little kitty. Hello. Are you a friend? What do you think, Forrest?
I think he's a friend.
Oh, he's coming at me. Oh, Forrest. What do we do?
We pet it.
Too bad we don't have any fish, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at the tail.
Yeah,
It's a tiny tail.
a little tiny tail. Yeah, so anyway, with the playground being closed, we will walk around and enjoy the shade from the sun. But at some point here, with the main amenities being closed, I think we'll move on here pretty quickly.
Oh, there's a cat over there.
Yeah, did you see it?
I petted it.
Yeah, the little kitty cat came right at us, so we were like, okay, fine. It was really sweet.
There was another one over there.
Another cat?
That's a rubber tree.
A rubber tree?
Yeah. So the sap in it is like a really white, thick one if you were to cut it. And then you can collect that for, I don't know, I used to make rubber with that, so.
I guess you can like harden it.
Yeah. Do we see the rubber trees in Sumatra? When
With
we
the
were
ring.
on the
Oh,
racing
yes,
track?
yes.
And they put the little cup underneath. And
the white
collect it.
thing, Yeah.
It does look like there are some sports courts, so this, I imagine, in the evening is going to be a popular place. You've got football, you got basketball down there, there's some people roller skating.
Body weight resistance. So while I'm doing this, I'm pushing myself up.
Same time. Oh, yours is a pull.
Yeah.
So granted, this is push and this is pull.
Two different.
Forrest, you gonna ride the bike?
It's hot.
Woo.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's kind of hot. Can you see your bottom on there? And now push. Whoa.
Daddy, can we take it?
Well, unfortunately, I think this is a cat that wants to just live outside. What do you think? What do you think his name is?
Mr. Maybe Mr. Snuggles?
Mr. Snuggles.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Snuggles.
Mr.
It actually looks okay.
Snuggles.
Yeah, it looks pretty healthy.
Yeah.
I think Mr. Snuggles is doing okay.
Yeah.
You know, if you're a cat, living in the park's probably a pretty good spot.
Yeah.
If I was a cat, I would just follow you home.
If you were a cat, you just follow us home?
Yeah.
All right, AI, it knows us so well. It wants us to go get coffee. So we're gonna hit Gianti Coffee Shop, a classic coffee brewer here in Central Jakarta. We'll tell you more once we get there. Oh, you guys, you're not even gonna believe it. We're kind of striking out with this AI schedule. Again, I can't really blame the AI, but it's closed. We are closed today. It is a Sunday, so maybe it's a Sunday thing, but either way, kind of strikeout number 2 here with the old AI planning. Our next stop on our AI-driven itinerary is the National Monument. Now, this is very special for Cici. Cici, this is your first time to see the National Monument.
Yes.
So that's very exciting. Cici, Indonesian, we get to go to the monument. It is open today, so we verified that. Phew. So we'll work our way up there and see what it's all about. We've actually been to the monument before, but we've never taken the time to go in it and explore the elevator. So we'll just see if we can do all that today. All right, so now I have some fun facts that ChatGPT laid out for us. Okay, so Cedar,
Yes.
do you know how tall that monument is, that national monument right there?
Maybe 2,000 feet.
Okay, not quite that tall. It's actually 233 feet tall. So it's pretty huge though, right? Okay, now on top, you see that gold?
Yeah.
Is it real or is it fake?
Is it real?
It is real. So there's a golden candle up top and it says that it is real gold.
That's cool.
Okay, so inside there's gonna be a museum that we'll get to kind of sort through a little bit. All right, so let's head that way.
Downstairs.
Do we get to take us downstairs? Okay, great. So basically what we discovered is you can't actually just walk into the monument. So you have to come across to this main entrance here, right here, the monument entrance, and then you go down. There's a place to buy tickets down below ground, apparently. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is, again, the first time we've actually been able to go into the monument. So the other times we were here, it's been closed. All right, so basically they told us that we're not allowed to film on the GoPro, but we could film on our phone. So I'm using my iPhone now just to take the footage, but you can see it is quite beautiful. You get right up there, and we did pay for the elevator up to the top, the observation deck. Total price was 120,000 rupiah, and they give you this card, which we had to use to get through some security gates. But all right, here we go into the main entrance. All right, everyone, we have stepped off the elevator and check it out. That is excellent. Wow. It's as far as the eye can see. It's gonna be a bad place to drop the phone, but wow. That is cool, huh, Ken?
That is really cool.
Totally worth coming up here.
Yeah.
People were sitting, they were just chilling. It was
Everyone's
wonderful,
calm.
actually.
Yeah, it's
Maybe
good.
just talk to people, and it was a nice wait. But boy, this is beautiful. So just for orientation, that's the U.S. Embassy right there. Whoa, I'm not used to how the iPhone focuses, but anyway, U.S. Embassy, and it's just panoramic views. Well, unless you're forest, then you can't see anything. All right, buddy.
I'm gonna go to the.
Here, look out. You see the city?
Yeah.
Is that so cool?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, man. All right, back on the GoPro. So basically, the monument was great.
Yeah, it was very nice.
For all the times we've kind of been on the property, to actually get up to the top was cool.
Yeah, this is like our third try.
Yeah.
Third try's a charm. It was good. It was worth it. It wasn't too crowded or too crazy, or just had a nice low-key, slow, smooth transition to it.
I would say you need to budget about an hour to an hour and a half to really kind of like mentally prepare for like the kind of the weights and all that. But yeah, it was never too crowded.
Bring water.
Yeah, bring water
Maybe
for
bring
sure.
snacks.
They do sell water bottles in there for 5,000 rupiah, so that's not too bad. Okay, so now because of the location where we are, we're going to go to the Catholic Cathedral, the kind of the famous one next, and I think we're going to walk there. After that, this is again ChatGPT driven, so after that it has a lunch place picked out for us. So this was a
As
pretty
long
good...
as everything's open today, we're
Yeah, we've hit a couple of misses first, but the monument was a success.
Yes.
But okay, we'll head to the church and then we'll head to lunch. Yeah, absolutely. All right, so on our way to the church, we actually are passing a restaurant we've been to before. We're gonna stop in there, and believe it or not, this is actually on our ChatGPT as well, but actually a little later in the day. But since we're here right now, we're totally going for it. Ragusa es Italia. This is the place that is famous for one dish, and that is the spaghetti ice cream. Which is funny, I actually don't see it on the menu here, but it's the spaghetti ice cream that you come for when you're here. Fresh homemade ice cream since 1932. I see the banana split cow. I don't know if I see the spaghetti. Do you see the spaghetti ice cream? Oh, there it is. Yes, spaghetti ice cream. So they just basically take their homemade ice cream and run it through like a spaghetti press, and out comes spaghetti noodle ice cream.
Oh, yes. We have spaghetti ice cream, banana split, different flavors, strawberry, mocha, vanilla, chocolate, nougat, mint raisin, and durian. Ooh, durian bidon.
It's a whole smorgasbord of options.
Yes, lots of flavors, lots of toppings, it looks like as well, extra toppings.
Saya mau satu porsi spaghetti.
Spaghetti ice cream.
Yes, satu. It's the famous spaghetti ice cream. The kids are so much bigger now from the last time we had this. I'll have to link the video right there, but man, it feels kind of like yesterday in some ways. And this is the homemade vanilla ice cream. Right into the old spaghetti press. We got the chocolate syrup going on. Some of the nuts, ground nuts, dried fruit. And that is a spaghetti ice cream. All right, guys, here is one order of spaghetti ice cream. Forrest, you want to come get the ice cream? Come. All right, so what ChatGPT said to us and why we would come here is that it's Jakarta's most famous old school gelato shop, operating since 1932.
Wow.
Known for legendary spaghetti ice cream. Yep, that hits the spot. All right, up next, ChatGPT AI has us going to the Our Lady Church of Assumption, Catholic church, built in the 1800s, rebuilt in 1901. And wow, I can already see it. It looks quite gorgeous. I don't know if it's actually open for viewing or we just see it from the outside, but we're gonna head over there next. Just a beautiful cathedral, and the three spheres on top represent faith, love, and hope, is what I was just reading via the old AI ChatGPT. I knew Cece was Christian. I did not know she was Catholic, so this is kind of all the more meaningful for her to come see the church.
Very exciting to be able to go see this super, super old cathedral.
I love that this is just open to the public. It's amazing. All right, the experience at the cathedral, always meaningful. I mean, I'm not Catholic, but I do find it to be spiritual, beautiful in there.
Just it's so old and big, and everybody's there to pray, and it's just really nice.
Well, what's so cool about this particular cathedral is right literally across the street is the biggest mosque in Indonesia. And I think the fact that the two different religions can get along side by side, it just goes to show that it's kind of a beautiful thing in this world. AI is sending us to lunch in upscale Indonesian restaurant. All right, you guys, looking forward to some upscale Indonesian food. We'll see what it's all about. We just got seated. The menus are huge, both in size and in pages. I mean, look at all the Indonesian upscale options. I have a hunch there's going to be something for everyone on this menu. Lunch has been served. Guys, what's your kind of first reaction to the lamb, the chicken, the seafood, all of it?
Yeah, so I actually changed my dish to the honey lamb, and it's like super sticky and saucy. It's really good.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, it's like fatty. It's got good ratio.
Again, I went with the buttered kind of a tempura jumbo shrimp. Outstanding. We did end up getting a little soppy dish. All good. Kel, how's the vegetarian front?
Oh, it's good. I have cassava. It's like a cassava curry, in coconut milk, and I'm just having it with rice. It's good.
So good. And Forrest, you got a mountain of ayam down there.
How is it?
Good. Is the taste?
It tastes so good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Delicious. The kid is loving the ayam goreng. So we'll spend time enjoying the dinner, but I would say, would you guys say AI steered us well with this
Yes.
meal?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely a win on the AI checklist for sure. That brings an end to our AI-driven day. Kel, what was your takeaway?
I think overall it was really good.
Yeah.
Saved us hours of planning and trying to figure out where to go, restaurants, the neighborhoods, how to piece it all together so that you're not in one place and then 2 hours in a car going that way and then an hour going back. So it's kind of nice. It was all like located centrally. Gives good suggestions. One thing that was kind of hard was the food, and I think it's because whatever the reviews are and stuff, it'll pick up on that. But if that item is moved off the menu, it doesn't always know.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But other than that, I think overall it was really good, accurate.
I listen, I totally agree with you. I thought that was a big time save. Just to simply, I mean, when you go to Google and you type in, plan my day, help me plan a day in Jakarta, you're gonna get blogs and websites that might be filled with pop-ups and advertisements, and it's so annoying and just running around in circles. Where the AI, it was just
And normally
question.
that is what
Yeah,
we do.
yeah. Well, question asked, question answered. No pop-ups, no annoyance. It's just all right there.
Yeah.
And then it was able to fine tune it. Like our kids are aged, 13, 11, and 6, and it just took all that into consideration.
Yeah. Like it wasn't just like, oh, go to this bar and have a drink, and we're like, well, we have kids with us. So then they rearranged it for us.
Yep. So all in all, I mean, the AI to start taking advantage of these new tools in travel, it's a pretty startlingly good thing. It's amazing how well it does. Let us know in the comments. This is AI-driven planning. We're thinking we might do that in a few more cities. Just experiment with it. Let us know.
tweak it a little bit,
Let us know how you would tweak it to make it more for you, or something you think that we might be able to take more advantage of. We're just experimenting with it, but all in all, pretty successful day with it.
Right?
A few, like the park was closed, the coffee shop was closed, but I don't know if I'd say blame AI for that, but
No, but even if you went to a blog and got that information,
the place could still have been closed.
It could still be closed, yeah.
All right, everyone. Well, yeah, do drop a comment. Let us know what you thought about the AI-driven day. If you should do some more videos like this, I'm intrigued by it.
Yeah.
And everyone, we'll catch you in the next episode.